IKEA garage cabinet hack. Today I'm going to be walking through 5 steps to improve this cabinet. It's from IKEA. It's a Broer. I have the sticker here. Broer. It's this. It's a really inexpensive, less than a couple $100 cabinet that's meant for garages. And for what it is, it's well built. My workbench proper behind me is where I do my primary work, but I found when starting this YouTube channel that I needed something out here to better frame a lot of my shots. So I started using this cabinet and it served me well. The thing is, it's starting to show its limits. It's not quite sturdy enough to do all that I'm using it for. I store a lot of my corded power tools inside here and they're just cumbersome to pull out. Plus, the top, I need it to do far more than I'm currently using it for. So these steps I'm gonna take to make it usable. All right, let's get started. Here's my hacked IKEA cabinet thus far. Almost finished. I put the new casters on. These rubberized heavy-duty casters, way superior to these hard plastic ones that came on it. I put some bolts in on the side panels, made those a lot more solid too, so it rattles less, which is great. And certainly the best part of this thus far is this slide-out tray. The rails underneath work well, nice and solid. It's a great improvement. It's going to be much easier to get the tools in and out of this thing. Then of course the top. Now I drilled these holes and that's going to work perfect. I have some 1/4 20 bolts that I'm going to use. Keep those on hand so I can mount down my scroll saw or the planer whenever I need them. But it's ready to go. The last thing is to reclaim this work surface. With these holes in it, it's gonna get in the way sometimes of projects. So I have an idea and it's coming up next. But wait, please like and subscribe. YouTube sees your interaction and they promote my videos more. It helps me to continue to do these things. Hopefully you get something out of it and we can continue to make progress here. All right, now back to the show. I'm going to put leather. That's right, cowhide. I picked up this piece at a local leather shop. Got a really good deal on it. It's 8 ounce, so it's really thick. It's 3 millimeters thick or more. It's gonna be fantastic to work on. It smells great, it feels great. It's veg tan, so it's natural. I think it's gonna wear really well. And the more dings and stains and spills I get on it, the cooler it's gonna look. So I'm gonna cut this to size and stick it on there. And it's so heavy, it'll just stay in place. When I need to bolt on my tools, I can just lift it up and move on. Here it is, my new work surface. Fantastic. Can't wait to mess this thing up. See you next time.